Okay, I'm back with my Miracle A7 Plus, and I'm cutting a Mercedes key HU64. This is for 2001 E320. And I already got the key codes locked in there, and got the cutter changed out, the key blanks in there. We're just going to hit enter to cut, and we want a direct copy. And I got the position already set, the thickness, and it says, oh, replace cutter. I already did that. We'll open it up here. It's measuring the vise right now. It's measuring the height of the key. Okay, that's one side done. I'm gonna brush this thing off here just to get all these little bits out of the way. I'm gonna unclamp this. Take a look at it.